I love Buddy Holly's baggy suit. It makes me sing and sing like this, and I jump like a kangaroo. But what I really love is I love the smell of something new. I love the sunny days like this. I love to simply have no clue. But what I really love is I love that smelly cat, it's true. I love cozy rooms like this. I love the way that flower grew. But what I really love is this is how music fills my songs. This is how music fits my pain. This is how music fills my songs, and so I sing it once again. I love when someone gets the flu. I love simple